Good morning, students. So, previous class we learned Indian system, international system, and use of commas, place values, greatest number, smallest number, rounding of numbers, so nearest tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousands. Now, today we are going to our last topic, that is large numbers used in daily life situation. Our chapter name is knowing our numbers. Name is knowing your number. So last topic, that is large numbers used in daily life situation. Large numbers used in daily life situation. We have some standard measurements, some standard units we have. That is, we need to measure the length. We can use meter. Measure the length, meter. To measure the length. To measure the weight, we can use kilograms. To measure the volume, we need to measure the volume, we can use liters. We need to measure the times, we can use seconds. Time. Okay. For suppose from two towns, how can you calculate distance in kilometers? Okay, distance kilometer. And two towns distance we can measure with kilometer. And first of all, length of pencil in centimeter. First of all, thickness of a paper, millimeter. Okay, so these are the standard measurements units. We can use the length for meter, weight for kilogram, volume for liter, time for seconds. Two towns distance we can kilometer. From one village to another village, how many kilometers are there? Length of pencil, how many centimeters? So the thickness of a paper, millimeter. So next, we know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. Okay, so 1 kilometer convert into millimeters. 1 kilometer convert into millimeters. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. 1000. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters. Into 100. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. So finally, how many zeros are there? 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 millimeters. We know how to use commas. So 10 lakhs millimeters. 10 lakhs millimeters. 1 kilometer will convert into millimeters. 1 to 1000 meters. 1000 into 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 1000 into 100 into 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. So 1000 into 100 into 10 total. So 10 lakhs. 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs millimeter. So next, we know 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. Well known all of you. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. Okay, coming to exercise 1.5. Before we have some examples. So I'll give one problem. So listen careful. Tendulkar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 15,030 runs. 15,030 runs in a test matches and 18,111 runs in one day cricket. What is the total number of runs scored by him in both type of matches? So a question asking what is the total number of runs? It is for a test match, it's a one day match. What is the total runs? What is the total number of runs we have to add? 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 8, 5, 13, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 33,141 total score. They're asking question, what is the total number of runs? Total means we have to add. Okay. So next, coming to exercise 1.5. Coming to exercise 1.5. This is our last topic. Exercise 1.5. Okay. The first problem is the number of people. Listen very careful. The number of people who visited games village during Commonwealth Games in New Delhi for the first 4 days was recorded as 15,290, and second day 14,181, and third day 14,325, and last day 10,478. 10,000. Find the total number of people visited in these 4 days. Here also question asking find the total number of people. Here also total means nothing but we have to add 85. 85 how much? 13. 13, 14. Okay, can all wrote no? 8. 8, 5, 13. 14. 1 year. 9 on 10, 18, 19, 20, 27. 2 to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 5, 13. 5, 1, 6, 10, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 54,374. What is the total number of runs or total number of people means? Total means nothing but you have to add all the 4 days games. So next second problem, same as exercise 1.5. The second problem. Listen question very careful. In Lok Sabha election, the elected candidate got 5,87,500 votes. In Lok Sabha election, the elected candidate got 5,87,500 votes, and a defected candidate, I mean who is a loser, got 3,52,768. By how many votes did the winner win the election? By how many votes did winner win the election? Means we have to subtract. By how many votes? We have to see the difference, no? So you have to subtract. 0 in 8 possible? No. Borrow. 10. 10 in 8 means 2. Here how much? 9. 9 in 6 means 3. Here all borrow, no? 4. 14 means 7. Here borrow, no? 6. 6 2 means 4. Okay. So 8 5 3 5 3 2. So 2 3 4 7 3 2. So 2,34,732 votes. Next, write the greatest and smallest 5-digit number formed by the digits 5, 3, 4, 0 and 7. And find their difference. The question is write the greatest and smallest 5-digit number based on these digits. So based on this, first write greatest number 7 5 4 3 0. 7 5 4 3 0. It is the greatest number based on this digit. Write smallest number. The smallest number is 3 0 4 3 0 4 5 7. 0 is a small number, no sir. Why you wrote second place? If you write first place, is a value, no value. So give second place to 0. Okay, question what they are asking. Greatest number 7 5 4 3 0. Smallest number 3 0 4 5 7. Okay, you have to separate. Find the difference. Difference is subtraction. Borrow 10 3. Borrow means value decrease, 2. Again borrow 12. 12 in 5 means how much? 12 in 5 subtract. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7. Okay, here borrowing no value decreasing. 10 in 4 means 6. Okay, 4. So double four here 3 no actually here borrow means 75430 30457. So double 4673. So next another subtractions no. Okay, must and should in subtraction time we have to check the subtraction time, addition time we have to check the place value, ones to ones, tens to tens, hundreds to hundreds, thousands to thousands. Next next problem, a bicycle industry makes 3125 bicycles 3125 bicycles each day. Every day bicycle industry makes 3125 bicycles. Find the total number of bicycles manufactured in the month of July. In July month, how many bicycles they manufactured? In July month, how many days are there? 31. So 31 into 3125. Okay. So our can we can write like this: 3125 into 31. Multiplication: 1 5 are 5, 1 2 are 2, 1 1 are 1 3 are. With 3 5 are 15. Can write only 5 here. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Total you can add 5, 5 2 7, 7 1 8 6, 96875. So 96,875 bicycles they are manufacturing in the month of July. Okay, next. So next problem, a helicopter covers 600 kilometer in 1 hour. 600 kilometer within 1 hour. Helicopter covers 600 kilometers within 1 hour. How much distance will it cover in 4 hours? How much distance it will cover in 4 hours? Express your answer in meters. Meters. Okay, how much distance will cover in first 4 hours? How much we have to find it? For 1 hour 600 kilometers means 4 hours how many kilometers? Nothing but 600 into 4 0 0 0 400 400 46 are 24. Okay, 2400. So 2400 kilometer. Express your answer in meters. 2400 kilometers. You know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. Express your meters only no. Express your answer in meters. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. 2 4 3 zeros 2 zeros 5 zeros 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 lakhs 24 lakhs meter. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. So 24 lakhs meters. We are expressing our answer in meters. Next problem. Okay. The distance between the school and bus stop is 1 kilometer 875 meters. 1 kilometer 875 meters. I mean you can write 1875 meters also can write. The distance between school and bus stop. Every day Gayatri walks both the ways to attend the school. Every day Gayatri walks both the ways from bus stand to school and school to bus stand. Find the total distance she walked in 6 days. The total distance she walked in 6 days. First of all, from distance between school and bus stop. Again from bus stop to school also no. Again we take 1 kilometer 875 meters. We have to add how much? 10, 15, 17. Okay. So 3750 meters. We can say meters. In 3 kilometers, 750 meters. 3750 meters for both the ways. How many days? Find the total distance she walked in 6 days. So you have to write 3750 into 6. 3750 into 6. Just you have to multiply. 6 into 0, 0. 6 5s are 30. 0. 6 7s are 6 7s are 42. 2. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 4, 22. So 22,500. So 600, 6 5s are 30. 600, 6 5s are 30, 0. 6 7s are 42. Sorry, 42 plus 3, 45 now. 45. So here 5. So 22,500 meters. That's it. Next. The cost of petrol is 60 rupees per liter. So 1 liter cost. 1 liter of petrol 60 rupees. The cost of petrol 60 rupees. A petrol bunk sells 750 liters of petrol on a day. A particular day, petrol bunk sells 750 liters of petrol. 750 liters of petrol. 750 liters of petrol. So the question is, how much money do they get at the end of the day? So one day, 1 liter of petrol 60 rupees. The particular day they sell 750 liters of petrol. So nothing but just multiplication. So 75 into 6 you can take. 6 5s are 30. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3, 43, 44, 45. Okay. So here 0, here 0. So 45,000 rupees. 45,000 rupees they'll get the amount. Okay. So this is our total our topic. We are learning from large numbers. We discuss about large numbers using daily life situation. Okay. So we have concluded last topic. So almost all the topics are covered. So starting once we can revise. What we discuss in this chapter, entire chapter? Estimating and comparing the numbers, and estimating and rounding up the numbers, introduction to large numbers, and place value systems, Indian place values and international place value system, and how to use of commas. Okay, in rounding up number nearest tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, how to use of commas, and compare with Indian place value system and international place value system. Okay, next after comparing the Indian international place value system, we are using last topic, that is large numbers using daily life situation. We need to measure the length of, we use meters. We need to measure the length of weights, kilograms. We need to measure the length of volume, liters. We need to measure the times in seconds. Okay, these topics we discussed till now. Okay, so thank you all for this. Okay, thank you.